Want instant access to your GeForce Experience features without the extra clicks? Let's get GeForce Experience launching automatically. First, let's find the GeForce Experience application. Click on your Windows search bar. It's usually at the bottom left of your screen. Type GeForce Experience into the search bar. As you start typing, the app should appear in the search results. Once you see the GeForce Experience icon, give it a click to launch the application. Now that you have GeForce Experience open, you might already see a pop-up that says automatically start GeForce Experience on my PC. If not, don't worry. Go to the top right corner of the application window and click on the Settings gear icon. The Settings menu will appear from within the Settings menu. Navigate to the General tab. The General tab should have a section that says Start on Startup. Look for a toggle switch next to this. Click that toggle switch to enable the Start on Startup setting. Upon enabling Start on Startup, GeForce Experience will now launch automatically when you turn on your PC. To test this, close the application completely. Then, open your Task Manager by right-clicking on the Windows Start menu and selecting Task Manager in your tab options. There, look for GeForce Experience. Since you have enabled the Start on Startup setting, GeForce Experience should be automatically running in the background. And there you have it. Quicker GeForce Experience access. Done. Like this video and subscribe for more tech tips.